Hello, crafty family. This is just a really quick, oh my gosh, video share. So a lot of you know, if not most of you or all of you know that during our snowmageddon here in Texas, we were out of power, we were out of water, we were out of so much. And I have a neighbor that lives right across the street from me. She rents the house from the owners whom I know very well. But this lady always seems like, she I don't think she likes us very much. But anyway, sometimes I wave at her and she'll just, look away or something. But I mean, that maybe that's just her personality. I don't know. I went out to check my mailbox right now and I found this bag on my porch I have a patio table on my porch with two chairs, and it was sitting on the patio table. And I looked at it and I said, well, where did this come from and what is it? So before I read this, so during the storm, she lives in a mobile home. I live in a home, home. And their power went out. Our power would go out. It would, cut in and out, but we still had some power at some points. And their water pipes busted, and our water pipes didn't bust, but our water did get cut off. And then when it came back on, we had water and they didn't. And I felt really bad because she has like 5 children ranging in ages from about 2 years old to maybe 15, 16 years old. And I saw the sun outside gathering snow. I was assuming to melt, and our water had already come back on. So I yelled at the young man and I said, hey, if y'all need water, just come on over. Our water is running. So the mom, the dad, and the oldest boy came out to get some water. And I told her, I said, if you need more, just let me know, or just knock on the door. I'll help you out with what I can. If you need candles or whatever, just let me know, and I can help you guys out if we have what you need. So they took the water, and she says, I just need to wash my dishes. I'm like, girl, come back and get some more if you need. We're under a water boil, but boil your water and you'll be fine to cook with it and drink it. So anyway, she never did come back, but I find this on my porch today, and it said, thank you for helping us during the storm. And it just says neighbor. Now, the only reason I know her name is because sometimes I have to, our mailbox or our mailman is just really bad about depositing our mail into other boxes. So I always just check to make sure that my mail is not in her box, because I've taken mail out before. And she left me a little care package. I'm just shocked. So I was working on stuff, so I have stuff all over my table, but zoom me back out and let me show you what she has included. I don't know what it is, other than I was able to see from the top, but not sure exactly what's in there. So this is what I've seen so far, and we are going to open this together. I am so excited. Okay, so she has sent a bottle of hand wash. That is so sweet of her. She sent some Mr. Clean erasers. She sent some Dawn dishwashing liquid. She has sent a full bottle of Tide. She sent me a box of Bounce. Oh my gosh. So that was all the cleaning supplies she sent. She has sent me some candy bars. Isn't that cool? Wow, I am really, really surprised here. She sent me 2 little plaques. How cute are these? Love you till the cows come home and rise and shine. These are so adorable. She has sent me a candle. It says Bahama Sky Soy Blend. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells so good. And then she sent me a little bucket here. It says Home Sweet Home. Inside this little tin bucket, she put a pot holder, and she put me a kitchen towel. How cool is that, guys? I'm gonna have to make her something and go drop it off. I mean, I feel like we finally made a connection. Let me tell you guys, I am all for, and I tell my kids this all the time, when you feel like somebody doesn't like you, that's okay. You know, we can't expect the entire world to like us. There has to be people that don't like you for whatever reason, or even just maybe it's their personality. Or I tell my kids that all the time. Don't be mean to them. Don't feel like they don't like me, so I'm going to be ugly to them. No, ugly is not going to get you anywhere. Just treat them like you would treat anybody else. Anybody else. And that's what I would have done for any of my neighbors. I, in fact, offered my neighbor down the street the same thing. She also lives in a mobile home. I think on our street there is 2 homes, mine and another one, that are built homes. They're not mobile homes. And everyone's pipes busted except the 2 homes, because they're built differently. And I offered my neighbor she lives on the other end of the street. I told her, I said, we can run a hose from my end of the street to yours if you need water. It doesn't matter what it is. Call me. I will help you. And like I said, I would have done that for anyone. If anyone had asked me, oh, I need this, I need that. And if I had it, absolutely, yes, of course, I'll help you. So I guess, honestly, the purpose of this video today is just to deliver a message. I feel like I need to. The message is treat everyone, no matter who they are or how they are, treat them the way you would like to be treated. And maybe one day they'll see the light. One day they will see, you know what? There are good people in this world. This is one of the good people. So I think that's my message. Always treat everyone the way you would want to be treated, regardless of how that person is. So anyway, this is what I got, guys. I'm so super excited. I am going to go put my little picture frames up and just take care of all this stuff. All right, guys, thank you so much for indulging me these few minutes and watching. And I don't know, maybe somebody out there needed to listen to hear this message. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I will talk to everyone later. Have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot, guys.